They told you lies about making money while you sleep. You're spending thousands on ads, but the returns? Disappointing. It's frustrating, right? Feeling like you're shouting into the void, hoping someone, anyone, will listen. But what if I told you there's a better way? A method that doesn't drain your budget and actually connects you with your audience. Meet Sarah, a small business owner who was on the brink of closing shop. She ditched expensive ads and focused on organic social media. Today, her business is thriving. So, what's her secret? These are the three actionable tips. Tip one, be authentic. Share your story, your values, and what makes you unique. People crave genuine connections. Two, engage consistently. Post regularly and interact with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and build a community. Three, leverage platform strengths. Use each social media's platform's unique features to your advantage. For example, Instagram's carousels and story drive interaction, while TikTok excels in entertainment and community building. By embracing organic social media marketing, you're not just saving money, you're building lasting relationships with your audience. Ready to transform your marketing strategy? Start today and watch your business flourish. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights to help your business grow. Talk soon.